I got them. All right, you guys, this is so exciting. This is the new rose gold collection. And I have to tell you, I'm already down to just one left of the Rose All Day lip color, which I'm going to show you. With SeneGence LipSense colors, you always want to shake up your tube, and you always shake it this way. Don't shake it that way, because that puts added pressure right here, and that's where if you're going to have a crack, it's going to come there. So you always shake up the tube. You want clean, dry lips. So we're going to do 3 thin coats of color. What I love, there's a couple things. The colors are amazing. There's like 60 shades. The color lasts 4 to 18 hours, even when you're eating and drinking. The other thing that I love is it's 100% mechanical shield from the sun. You can't get sunburned when you're wearing one of these LipSense colors. It's amazing. Great protection, great coverage. All right, see, I'm trying not to go back and forth over it. I have a mirror right here, so magnifying too, because you know I have old eyeballs. It's windy. My curtain is flying everywhere. That's really pretty. Okay, let's do one last coat. Just let it dry a few seconds in between each coat. This is the Rose Gold Gloss, glitter gloss. It's not really glitter, it's just called Rose Gold Gloss. So you can see the color right now. It's really a nice, soft, kind of a warm, I love this gloss. Look at this tube. It's so pretty. So that is the Rose Gold Gloss. What do you think? Give me some thumbs up if you like it. And watch. Nothing on the sand. Only the gloss. The lip color stays. So that's the benefit of all the SeneGence products. The other thing that just came was the Rose Gold eyeshadow. Glitter eyeshadow. Can you see that? So pretty. And I already have some eyeshadow on. It's really pretty. Let's do it all over. And I just like to bring it, if I'm doing it on my lid, I kind of just bring it up part way up. It's very pretty. I mean, who doesn't need rose gold everything? Rose gold all the things. That's really pretty. Ooh la la. And that's this color right here. So it gives you that really pretty shimmer. I guess I better do the other side now so I can match. That's really fun. You know, when you do the opposites of your eye color, so this has a little bit of the like red brightness. My eyes are kind of greenish-y blue. They switch. I always tell my kids depending on my mood. But it switches. So this really brings out my eye color. This is really pretty. I like this. Anything with like reds, pinks, purples, that's gonna bring out brown eyes. That's gonna bring out green. It's gonna look very natural if you have a hazel brown because it's similar color. So it'll look real natural with a little pop of color. That is gorgeous. What do you think? And that's just like one coat. I didn't really even, you could even pack it on if you wanted more pigment and do a little more. Now for the secret surprise, I have a few eyeshadows left of these amazing colors, and I thought I would show them to you because since you're a subscriber, and if you're not, you should be, then you can have first option to this. So if you want to check out more of my videos, beauty tips, things like that, these are eyeshadow colors. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So I will put these on my wrist so you can see them. This one, I should have my glasses on too. This is Pink Hibiscus Shimmer. All right, let's check that out. These are all cream to powders. Here, I can get over here more so you can see it. And it's a little subtle shimmer. This is a Tropical Orchid. I think that's what it says. All right, that one's got a little more purpley. Ooh, that's really pretty. That would be nice as an eyeliner too. I like that. That one's really nice. Let's see what else we've got. This one is Seafoam. I had this one on the other day. If you go to my Facebook, you can see the picture of that. And they're all blendable, so you can get really a lot of different looks. That would be a fun eyeliner today. And oh, this one I think is my favorite. This is the Lava Shimmer. It's a real pretty golden, summery, peachy color. Ugh, I love that one. That is really nice. And they're all blendable, so if you don't like it as intense, you just blend it a little with your brush. And then this is the Palm Glitter. It's a really pretty green. Wow. Those are awesome colors. Let's see if I can really get you to, can you see those? I should find a better spot to put them on. Those are really pretty. And they're blendable, so let's say I want to soften that color out. You can just blend it with your brush. So you have about a minute or two to blend, and then once they dry, they're dry and they don't come off. Awesome. Well, thanks you guys for watching, and there's all those fun new colors. These are not in our permanent line, so once they're gone, they're gone. Hopefully they'll realize which ones we like the most and which ones you, our customers, like the most, and we'll get some back in stock. But they're gorgeous colors. What a great way to just brighten up. You could use them as an eyeliner. I saw someone the other day use this one, the pinker one on top, for blush. Actually, should we do it? Should we just do a little blush so you can see? Let me find a brush. Let's see what we think. I've got some blush on right now, but let's just play. We'll start with a little, because this is pretty. It's got that really nice, subtle, that little bit of shimmer in it. That is really pretty. I like this. It does remind me of Napa or Be Ruby LipSense color. Really pretty. Very blendable. I like that. Gosh, I'm gonna have to sit here and play a little more tonight. But have an awesome day. Make sure you subscribe, share this video if you know someone who likes a lot of color, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.